Hi, I'm Marley Schmidt, and I'm doing my nonfiction Bookshare on Bravo, Poems About Amazing Hispanics, written by Margarita Engel and illustrated by Rafael Lopez. This book celebrates the accomplishments and contributions that Hispanic people have brought to history and how what they have done has evolved and still thrives today. The stories of famous Hispanic people is told through the use of poetry. Each poem uses a different style of stanza to tell about their history, and you can see a few different examples of how the stanzas look different. Every other page of the book has the name of a Hispanic historian, the years in which they lived, and where they are from. Each poem has an illustration of the historian that is talked about on the corresponding page. So you can see multiple examples of this. You can see throughout this story that continuous framing is used. The illustration bleeds off the page, takes up the whole page. You can also see that visual depth is used by showing overlapping. You can see her chin is overlapping her neck. The same thing here. So that is making the characters 3D. Visual weight is used by using large size portraits. By making the portraits larger than anything else, the reader's eyes focus on what's important, which is the portraits in this book. There are lots of examples of visual symbolisms by putting objects in the illustration that represent what the poem talks about. So for example, there's a calligraphy pen here because he is a poet. There's baseball glove because he's played baseball, and so on. Something else that makes this book interesting is the vibrant colors that are used in the illustrations. I would use this book in a classroom during a history lesson. I would have each student read a poem that is assigned to them about a specific Hispanic historian, and I would expect them to tell 3 facts about their historian that they learned from reading the poem, and also tell the class how the actions of this person affected the U.S. still today.